Welcome to Q Channel. In this video we show you top 5 Sonic Boom out of context. Number 5 is Sonic Gate. I f*** you. Numbers 4 with the Number 3, Sonic wants to. Hey, would you like to come to my bedroom? Number 2 thing says what?
I love sex. I love sex. Oh. Yeah, it's me.
Number 1, Sonic having sex with Knuckles. I think it's a bad idea. Are you sure, Knuckles?
Yes, I want my hole to be bigger than yours.
That's why Sonic Boom is not suitable for children. By the way, please like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.